On today's video, we're going to look at the Geonfino cordless, keyless entry door lock with 4 options in opening. These come in black and silver options. This lock does not require any internet to work. It will work off of batteries for up to 6 to 8 months. It also supports Bluetooth to connect with your mobile keypad. Within mobile app, you can update the password on the fly. You can also unlock it with an app, smart key passcode, or IC card. Super easy to install. We're going to show you how to do it. Let's jump right into the whole video. What's good, everybody? So you installed a brand new smart lock, right? Here I'm going to show you the different ways that you can open this lock with your phone, RF card, with your keys, with Bluetooth, or with a fingerprint, or keypad. The great thing about these are absolutely hotel quality locks. They're made of zinc metal. They're black, come also in silver. They have the ability to store a regular key, completely encrypted, so you can feel okay to put this on the mansion. Fits standard doors 1/3 to 2 inches inside. Installs in minutes. I mean, it's absolutely got everything in here. So let's just open it instead of talking about it. Manual. Here's the lock. It weighs 520 grams without the back portion. Attach the rubber gasket. It's going to be on the other side, right here. Right, this is for weather stripping and making sure there's no air coming through. So we're going to, and then this is the back mechanism that controls the bolt, and this is the part that's actually inside the house. This weighs 585 as well, so it's quite a lot in this package. Inside you also got 2 keys and RFID tags. You also have the hardware, 4 screws, 2 of those, and then you got your plates. All right, this is the only part that's silver. We are in the winter here of Canada, and we just got this brand new door put in on this property. We're gonna put the deadbolt right over here, and then we're gonna put a regular handle down there. All right, so the process of installing this Geonfino smart lock is simple. First thing is you want to get this. This is a metal plate. You put this here. Now, if you try and put it at the bottom, you can see that that is for your handle. Not gonna work. This should fit perfect like that. Then you're gonna put your screws in here. Next, we're going to get our actual bolt. There's only one way this goes in, and it says top. Depending on whether it's left or right, put it in. On our side, it's right over here. So we're just going to slide this right through. Oh, by the way, I do have to let you know, it comes in when it's not locked. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you extend the bolt out. Otherwise, it's going to look like there's not enough space here. So make sure you, again, take that out, slide this in. There you go, and hopefully it will be a perfect fit, which it is here. Okay, so once you slide this in, use a rubber mallet. Okay, that's in. Now take our mechanism, slide this through, okay, like that, and then press this in. Okay, now make sure that's all flush. That looks good. Now grab this, and you're gonna remove the bracket so you can plug in the cable. Grab our weather stripping and our bracket. We're gonna feed the cable through. And now we're going to go and put the screws through this. All right, so that's in. So at this point, everything should be nice and flush and clean. So the next step is to put this on and connect the wire. Now you got to make sure that you're in the, well, at least for us, we're in the left hand position. So remember, there's an L and right switch at the bottom. So we are on L. It shows L right, left hand door, right hand door. Okay, and then so we set this also left and right. So we go left, and now we slide this through, and then we connect it and test it. This in, you're gonna see that there's a screw hole here and 2 on the other side. You're gonna take the 4 provided screws, and you're gonna set these in place. Next, you take the screw, attach it here. This is gonna keep the plate in, and then you do one more on that side. All right, and at this point, when you pull this, you should be able to close this. See that? And the door is no longer opening. So now, put some batteries in, test it. You can hear there's a dee-dee when you pull it. So now, let's go and put our case on. So you put this on, there's a hole on this side and another side, and we're gonna use these provided screws. Put this plate on. All right, so first way to unlock this is with the key. You get 2 of them, open, take it out, go inside, and again, lock, you pull, you can unlock it manually on the inside as well. All right, so let's get the app going. This is the TT lock. You want to find it on iOS or Android, or just scan this and just follow the steps. First, you need to register a new account. So you got to put your phone number or email. That's good because if you ever forget something, you can always reset it. And then once you're done, you just turn on the Bluetooth and enter the interface by adding the lock-in app. So let's take a look at that right now. All right, guys, so we are going to show you right now how to program and configure this Geonfino lock. So the first thing you want to do is you want to press any key. So we open it up, there's a little beep. Now we're going to press any key on the pad. Okay, now that that's activated, we're going to switch to our TT lock application. Click door. Again, press any of the keys to enter pairing mode as long as batteries are in there. And then immediately you're going to see a number for your lock. So you press that, you're going to hear a beep. And that's it. Now it's paired successfully. Now you want to assign a name. So we're going to call this backyard door. All right, select the door opening direction. So we are swinging, we're opening to the left on the outside. So we're opening to the left. Okay. And that's it. So now you can see that our battery status is 95%. Okay, let's go lock the door. Okay. And there we go. And now we're gonna unlock it, and that worked. All right. You can see that it opened up, and now if we want to lock it, and there it goes. And again, we can just manually pull this back up. And what we're trying to do is we want to figure out how to close it, right, automatically. So to do that, let's go back to settings. So let's go remote unlock. Okay, let's turn on smart lock remote. Auto lock. Alright, so we're going to set the auto lock on 5-second delay. That means that it's going to lock automatically when you close the door after 5 seconds. Now we're going to open, close, and then we're going to go in here and wait 5 seconds. Boom. Locked. Perfect. Now let's go and program the infrared and your keypad. Alright, so let's go back to our app, and now we're going to go and add cards. So click cards, you can see there's one card added, and I'm going to click add card. So now we're going to enter a name. Okay, so let's put parents. So now you place the card against the card reader, and operation successful. That's how easy it is to add the card, and now it's saved, and you will see it inside the app. That's how easy it is. Let's go and test it to see if this is going to work, and boom, it works. All right, so now let's go and add some passcodes. So we're going to click passcodes. All right, so now you can see that I only have one. So let's go and generate a new passcode, and it's going to ask you for a name. So let's just put Airbnb, and now you got a passcode. So now you can take this and you can share it with whoever you want. And you can see you can set it at one time, custom, recurring. You can have it at time. So there's plenty of options that you can have this passcode work. And of course, if you click it, you always have the option to change the passcode by customing it. But we're going to leave it at that. So now let's go and test this passcode. And there it is. It's open. The next step is let's go and add fingerprints. All right, guys. So let's add the final step, which is the fingerprints. So from the main menu, you're going to click fingerprints. You can see I already have my thumb. Add fingerprint. We're going to call this one Marcin2, and we're going to do our index finger. Now all you need to do is you need to go and put your finger on this little circle that's just above the keypad, and you have to do it 4 times. Each time you're going to get a beep. That's how you know to keep pressing it. And then operation successful. Now we can flick back and see that there will be a new fingerprint added, and now test it. So just put our finger on the keypad and boom, unlocked. Perfect. That's how you do it. So again, amazing lock. It is cheaper than some of the other brands out there. You have so many options, automatic lock, and again, it logs everything. I definitely recommend this. And of course, we will be doing another 2 videos with this one. This is going on the front door. We picked this one up as well. This is the G4 Pro smart lock with the handle. The other one is just the Deadbolt. And then we also have the G5 smart lock. And this is the basic version. The difference between the basic version is that there is no fingerprint, but everything else is in here as well. And this is also the Deadbolt. It's a little less money. This one's obviously the most money because it's got the handle. But thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one.